Hey guys, just a quick video demonstrating how to download Tor browser on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I will be linking this website in the description of this video, or you can just simply go and search for download Tor browser. So we are using Windows, so let's just click on that, and it will take some time to download, and if it's downloaded I'll resume from that. So I'm in my downloads folder, and I can see this installer. So let's just click on it, and keeping the language as English, and we'll be using the same destination folder suggested by the computer, and let's just install it, and it will take some time to install, so just wait for that. And it has been installed, so let's just click on finish and run the Tor browser. Let's just add it on desktop, so finish, and it will open the Tor browser. And you will also get one folder where you are installing the Tor browser. So I have installed on my desktop, so I can see the folder here. And let's just connect to some website. So it's currently establishing the connection, and let's just wait for it. And now we can search DuckDuckGo, like anything. So let's just search Tor only, and yeah, the browser is running perfectly. So that's it for this video. Meet you in the next video.